So welcome to the half marathon, and thanks for traveling from.
My goal is to start here in the beginning and be able to start fast to know how many people are ahead of me. This way I know what place I'm in. So if I can jump off the line fast, I'll just keep count of who's ahead of me. It'd be the perfect way to know.
Once again, you can check out those signs that are being held up for different paces. That'll help queue up safely. Faster in the front, slower in the back, walkers and strollers all the way in the back. Safety is the #1 thing we want for all of you. We want you to have a good time. We want you to enjoy the course, enjoy the scenery, enjoy Bird in Hand. But in order to do that, you got to be safe. We have 1 minute till the start of the 10th annual Bird in Hand Half Marathon. Hope you're all ready. We got 15 seconds to go. Runners, take your mark. Get set. Go!
All right, currently, if I'm correct, I'm in 12th place. 12th place, probably about 1.5 miles in. Got a little hill up ahead. That's what I trained for back home. Spent a lot of the summer running up and down hills. All right, it's about 3 miles. I'm at a 6:38 pace right now. Moved up to 11th. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. The whole valley. Also a nice downhill. Just past mile 4. I'm in 10th place right now at a 6:47 pace per mile. "33 minutes, 7 seconds, 5 miles, 6:46 per mile." Still in 10th. That's 7 miles, still at a 6:38 pace, dropped to number 11. All right, so somewhere between miles 7 and 8, we got a beautiful downhill that's perfect for a little bit of recovery. As mile 8 dropped to 12, 6:44 per mile, 5 to go. Back to number 11, I believe. I just passed somebody on an uphill. The uphills are where I'm doing well. All right, I'm in somewhere in mile 9, getting a side pain. Just gotta push through it. It'll go away. Keep the core tight, tighten the muscles, concentrate on what you're doing, and the pain will subside. I think it's safe to say if I'm 11 right now, or 12 or whatever, that's where I'm gonna finish. Because I ain't catching that guy. And as long as I keep my pace, I don't think anybody's gonna catch me. So I was shooting for top 30. If I get top 15, that'd be awesome. My pace is slowed to 7:02. I'm at 12 miles. I think it was an hour and 21 minutes. So I should come in under an hour and a half. I just slipped one back. I'm probably 12th or 13th now.
You have no empty hands for your medal. You want it around your neck?
Right around my neck, man. That's awesome.
We'll do that carefully. There you go.
Thank
Congrats.
you. Whew. All right, so I finished, I think, just under an hour and a half, which was what the goal was.
129.47.
129.47. There it is. Not bad. Good run. Awesome scenery. Now we'll just wait for my parents to come through, my sister to come through, relax, take some photos, eat some stuff to rejuvenate the body. And I think I'm in 13th. I'm gonna go over here and wait, see if when my father comes down, he should be rolling in next. When you turn that corner, you see that finish line, it's such a sign of relief that you're basically almost done. Just waiting for my father, he should be showing up soon. Nice job. I thought he said he was wearing a green shirt. He's wearing a blue shirt. Snuck up on me.
Rose bring it? Yeah.
I thought you said you were wearing green.
What's that?
I thought you were wearing green.
Nah.
I missed you.
That's all right.
I got you on video. Got a little apple. Replenish. Some water. A horseshoe. See the medal.
There you go.
An actual horseshoe.
Half marathon.
My mother and sister have a little rivalry going here to see who's gonna win. Who are you voting for?
I don't know.
It'll be interesting to see. My mother's been training. Melanie said hasn't been training that much, or she said she hasn't. She might be just doing it to bluff my mother out. But we'll find out when who arrives first. I see my sister, I don't see my mother. Looks like Melanie's gonna win. So what do you think of this one?
I didn't train for it like the last one.
Yeah, you did good though.
Tougher.
Do you think it's tougher than Gettysburg?
I think so.
Yeah. It was definitely hilly. I'm wondering if I'm gonna get an age award.
Yeah, you have to go. Do you have to be there?
Yeah, I don't know. Hey, let me go check it out.
12 and under, we have one finisher on record at the time that we've printed these results. He's 10 years old. He finished in 2:27.51. First place, 12 and under, William Rose. Second place, Aaron Byler. And first place, Samuel Denier. For the gentlemen, 35 to 39. Third place, Brian Meese. Second place, David Barakanakis. And first place, Zaire Durant Young.
Thank you.
For the ladies, 35 to 39. Third place, first
I won
place,
second place out of my age group, 35 to 39, which is pretty cool. Oh, we got mom running in with her grandson. Keep going. Keep going.
Elias Adams.
All right. Good job. Feeling great?
For the ladies, 45 to 49. Third place,
Good job,
Germany
Mom.
Olympia. Second place, Michelle Frew.
We're all back here now. We've all completed the half marathon. It's been a big success. Beautiful day.
Good job. I heard him.
Good job. David Bacanaris.
You got a little, what do you got there? Oh,
A little wood burnt plaque.
cool. Nice job.
So the Bird in Hand Half Marathon is an awesome event. Very good. If you're into running, definitely check it out. The scenery was beautiful. The organization of the place was fantastic as far as how they have everything going for parking and things like that. So that was great. We all had a good time. We're gonna have some lunch right now. I'm gonna end the video here. I appreciate you watching. And yeah, man, put in the comments. What do you think? Bird in Hand Half Marathon.